back this fine Tuesday. We've got more demos we're going to be playing. And we're going to start off with one called Dungeon Vending Machines, which looked kind of interesting. That the title grabbed me. So we're going to see what this is all about here. And start the game. Hey, don't just stare at this empty dungeon. Adventurers won't buy air, you know. Click the shop button and stock up on some items. Success starts here. Okay, so shop. The Novice Potion Starter Pack. Cheap and generous, recommended for novice shopkeepers. Okay. You can obtain 3 goods. Buy. Restock result, we got 3 red potions. Okay, we have 0 gold. Machines. Potion vending machine. Vending machine specializing in potions. Buy. We got the potion vending machine. Okay. So let's close this. Let's place the potion vending machine. Congratulations! You've placed your first vending machine. It looks great, but there's a small problem. An empty vending machine can't sell anything. Quickly click it and add some product to the shelves. Give adventurers a reason to spend their money. Okay? So clicky. Lists. No items. So let's close that. Let's see. Ooh, someone bought something. Someone else bought something. Now I have money. And let us buy some potions. Oh, I need 400. Okay, I can restock this one. Restock result, more red potions. Relist sold out items. Okay. Still making the money. Sold out, yes. Another one. Buy. Lists. Restock results, 6 those, okay. Don't have enough. So next level, I need 3,000 gold. Lists. Okay, ooh, I'm making 45 gold a second. That's interesting. That's cool. So I like the art style so far. These little generic little things. Like the supermarket simulator, the game simulator, similar to that, kind of cool. I should keep on cruising. We're at 3,000 now. We could get. Let us upgrade and get a potion pack. Cool. But we're going to stick with this guy for now until we get another vending machine. Ooh, we got purple potions now. Nice. Let's see. Use the purple potion. There and there. And then we're just gonna wait another 24 seconds for this to go away. And we'll have a row of red potions, a row of purple potions, and then we're gonna buy another thing to have another row of potions here. We'll delist that and list that one. Relist sold out items. And then we'll go back to the shop and buy. Can we buy 2, 3? No, now we can buy 3 random potion packs. Yes, we have green potions now too. Okay. Sold out items, and we'll wait for these to sell out before relisting them or delisting them so we can get the max benefit here. They're almost done, and after we get the green potions, we will work on getting another vending machine to sell stuff. Okay, so let's delist, relist the sold out stuff, and we're going for green, green, and green. Potion. I can craft stuff? Oh, I can craft green potions with 3 red potions. Cool. And a purple potion. I need green potions to craft. Okay. Let's close that. Overview. That's so far. And then some machines. Okay, I have a potion vending machine. Great. And then let's give it a few moments to buy another potion pack. Potion pack, and we've got red and purple potions. Okie doke. Okay. Sold out items. Right here. Red. Green. Purple. we can upgrade again. There's collectibles. Inventory items aren't just for selling, they unlock secret powers. Register them in collections for special abilities, but once registered, they're gone, so choose wisely. Okay. So it's novice on the road. Getting the hang of it. It's red! Potion specialist. Primary colors. Ooh. Just register everything. Make more money. Need to get blue and full recovery potions. Okay, that's cool. So let's go back. Okay, we shop. Get some more potion packs. Let's just go with a nice 3. And we list all the sold out stuff. Inventory. I don't have any reds. So let's just get a bunch of reds. They sell out the fastest, and I need them the most. Okay. So now that we are at 7.2k, let us level up again. And we now have an advanced potion pack. High grade potions, no specific item. You can obtain 4 to 6 goods. Okay, let's buy one. Yes, we have a green, a blue, and a red potion. Cool. So let's list. Need more red potions. Let's get another vending machine. Oh, we need 7,000 for that now. So let's continue on with this. Getting some more money. Doing some more things. Then we will come over here, buy a vending machine. And we're going to put the blue potion here and the full recovery potion here. Inventory we have left. Okay, we need more purple potions. So let's shop. And four potion packs. We install those. This is still going for like another 7 minutes, so we're good. Blue potion. Shop. Max of that. Sweet. These three here. Those two here. So that is now complete. Potion specialist. Let's complete that one. Let's continue on. Inventory. Let's get more of those advanced potion packs. Just to have stuff. Still need 2 of those. And this is, advanced potions. That's probably what we're gonna get when we upgrade again and get the other vending machines. We're gonna do the weapons ones over here. Just gotta get to 17,000. Finish this one. So now we just need to unlock the advanced potions and we're gold. Oh, sweet. We're now making a ton of money a second. That's cool. Get the next level and unlock the weapons vending machines. Sweet. Just got to wait a little bit longer. Bunch of stuff ending soon. 2 things ending soon. This. Few things ending soon. Same with this guy. So just wait a little bit longer. We're almost there. good for a little bit. Let us shop and upgrade. Yes. Receive 1 weapons vending machine. Basic weapon starting pack. You can obtain 3 to 5 goods. So that is 10,000. So let's buy the max for the vending machine. Got a bunch of swords, nice. Let's click here. Let's start over on this side. Place. So wooden sword. There's 3 of those. And the 3 of the copper swords. So we have that going. So we have items here. Advanced weapon pack and a high level weapon pack. Cool. Potions. Let's buy that. Potions. Max this out. Just gonna keep going. Oh, we have new collectibles now that we've unlocked stuff. So let's register all of these. List. We need potions. List. Potion packs. Okay. Still need 1 more of those. Potion packs. Get a full recovery potion. So we don't have that sold out on the thingy anymore. Let's do bronze collector. We still needed 2 more of those. List everything. Shop. Extra weapons. Out. So this was a really cute game. I'm enjoying myself playing it. I'm not stopping because it's not enjoyable, but because doesn't seem like it'd be fun for you guys just to watch me managing this thing without having some crazy jokes, but there's not like much going on. I am gonna play more of this off stream, and it's really cool. I'll probably get this when it comes out.